Hey guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, this one's actually going to be a pretty laid back, pretty easygoing video. But today, we are going to unbox a swag box that was sent to me from the boys and girls at none other than the one and only Vonage. So, I don't actually know what's in here, you guys. Since it's swag, I'm hoping that it's going to be some Vonage branded stuff. Maybe I'll get a t-shirt or something out of this. I've had a Vonage shirt now that was given to me like 6 years ago for 6 years. And I always joked with them, especially since I used to be kind of fat. I was a bit of a porker when they gave me that old shirt 6 years ago, and I've lost weight. You know, wife's got me eating good. I'm in shape. So I had kind of joked with them and been like, when are you guys going to send me a shirt that not only has your new logo, but also that I can fit? So fingers crossed that I get maybe a shirt and some other stuff, but I don't actually know what's in here, so let's find out. Oh, now we're talking. All right, so it looks like we got an Aria H2 Go, whatever that is. Well, it looks like it's a coffee thing. I drink a lot of Costa Rican coffee, so this will be kind of cool. But that's what this looks like. Copper plated inner wall. Yeah, stainless steel bottle. So I guess I could use this for coffee, water, whatever. Pick your poison. You know what? Let's just pull everything out of here and lay it up in a lineup and see what we got. Okay, so I was digging in the box and I found this packing slip, and this kind of made my day. Vonage logo. Swag for Rich Technology Group, shipped to Prince Edward Rich, United States. So we'll go down this and then we'll look at what we got. We got a camper mug, matte black. We got a black shirt. Looks like a t-shirt. We got a men's Nike polo. We got a water bottle, matte black. I'm loving all this, everything just being black, matte black. I dig it. And then a Yeti Rambler, black. So let's go see what all this stuff is. Okay, that is just sexy right there, you guys. Now, for those of you who follow me or have subscribed and you're on the channel quite a bit, you probably recall a video where I was holding up a Vonage shirt on the YouTube thumbnail, and I said I wasn't going to be wearing Vonage attire or shirts anymore. And I said the reason that I wasn't going to do that was because I needed to stay neutral. Well, if I'm in a video that is specifically about Vonage, like this one, I lied, you guys. I would totally rock this shirt. So, yeah, I take back what I said. Honestly, I'm not going to wear this shirt in a non-Vonage related video, but, you know, all joking aside, the gloves are off. If it's a Vonage related video, I'm totally rocking the Vonage shirt and swag. And it's even my size as well, so heck yeah. Now that's just beautiful right there. Stainless steel finish. Big old Vonage logo that's also stainless steel finish. Yeti. This is awesome. I love my coffee. I even throw a little bit of Irish cream in my coffee sometimes if it's like after 4 p.m. So yeah, this thing is definitely going to be getting some use out of it. But that is absolutely just beautiful. Let's see what's inside of this 20.9 ounce stainless steel bottle box, shall we? Similar build as the other thing. No explanation needed there. That is actually really nice as well. So, I don't go hiking very much, but I do live kind of sort of in the boonies. So, this could definitely come in handy. Got a 12 ounce stainless steel mug here. What do you say we see what's inside of this? Boy, I tell you, Vonage is all about some matte black everything. And for those of you who are YouTubers and you watch a lot of tech channels, that is a shameless plug for one of my favorite YouTubers out there. Matte black everything. All right, last but not least, we got something in here that's got a Nike logo on it that says it's dry fit. What do you guys say we open it up and see what we got? Oh, that's beautiful, you guys. Yeah, totally lied about not wearing Vonage shirts on videos here on the YouTube channel for Rich Technology Group. That is just beautiful, and it is also my size. So yeah, totally gonna rock that. Okay, so first of all, special thank you to the folks over at Vonage. The glasses. Yeah, I'm sorry, I had to. When I put on this shirt and I saw the black, and I like black. I don't always just wear black, but I like a good black shirt or good black attire. When I saw this, I thought, you know what? I gotta outro this video with black sunglasses to go with all this wonderful, beautiful Vonage branded black attire and black equipment. But anyways, first and foremost, huge thank you to the boys and girls over at Vonage for sending me over this swag, this swag box, and also, as always, taking care of our new and existing Vonage customers. Thank you guys, the viewers, for watching the video as always. If you're watching this video and you're interested in Vonage and you'd like to learn more, you guys may or may not know our service is free. We work with Vonage and many other carriers daily. If you're interested in maybe seeing a demo of Vonage, talking with me about Vonage, pros and cons to see if it makes sense for your business, or you'd like for me to get you a quote with special pricing, come to us first before you go direct, because we can always get you better pricing with the service providers than if you shop direct. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload new videos every single week. Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business, phone, and internet service in the United States. I'll catch you guys again in the next video.